Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add animated GIF in WordPress. Let's get started. So I have in here my page that I want to add my GIF into, and on this next tab, I just head over to gp.com and I just found the GIF that I want to add. So in this case, I will add this GIF of a cute hilarious dog. Now what I can do is I can click on the share icon right here and click on this embed code. Now you have the option to make this responsive and also show info below clip. So for me, I will not show info, but I'll make this responsive. From in there, click on this copy embed code. And then let's head back right here to my page. Let's click on this plus icon right here. And then let's search in here for HTML. And from there, you can see the custom HTML. So you can just locate wherever in your page you want to actually add it. So for me, I'll add this right here just below during winter. So I'll just drag it until it reached this part. And as you can see, I have in here this text box. I'll just head over and paste it. And then you can click on this preview right here in order to see the GIF that you have. As you can see, it actually shows the GIF that I have on my previous tab earlier. Now from there, click on this save option and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.